back to my channel. This week is going to be completely different to every other week on my channel. Usually I only upload on a Monday and a Thursday, and this week I am going full throttle and filming every single day and uploading a video every single day. The reason being, Makeup Revolution have just released their brand new website, Revolution Beauty, and with that they have launched loads of new products, and I just could not resist. For those of you who don't like Makeup Revolution, or for those of you that can't get it where you live, I thought it was really unfair of me to fill 3 solid weeks up with Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to pack this week full of products because I have been waiting in all day, and finally it arrived about half an hour ago. So let's see what I'm going to review this week. Okay, so let's see what this week is going to be jam-packed full of. These are all Makeup Revolution products. This is the Baking Oil Primer. These are primarily for people with dry skin or those people wanting a little bit more of a glowy skin. So we're going to see how that performs. Also got the Cushion Colour Corrector in Peach that I'm going to be trying out to see whether this covers up my dark circles. Really excited to trial that. I've got the Brow Tint. Not going to lie, a little bit nervous to try this out, but I'm doing it anyway, just for you. Got the brand new Revolution Pro Brow Cushion, hoping I have got the right colour. There was several to choose from. This is in soft brown. And you know I love a foundation review and wear test. I have finally managed to get my hands on the fast-based foundation sticks. Finally, these have been out of stock everywhere. They came out about 4 weeks ago, so I'm sorry I've not managed to do a review on these yet, but they have finally arrived. And obviously I've ordered every single new foundation that they've got in stock. So here is the brand new Revolution Pro Foundation Drops, and also the Full Cover Camouflage Foundation. I really wanted to review this today, but the postman has only just been, so there won't be enough time to do a full wear test on this. This is tomorrow, so tune in for that tomorrow about 8 o'clock. There should be a review of this product, and the day after, this little beauty will be uploaded, so stay tuned for that. I am super excited to review all those products for you. I am sorry to anybody that doesn't like Makeup Revolution, or if you can't get it where you are. I'm sure it will be coming very, very soon. If you don't like it, watch the reviews anyway. I might change your mind. See you all in a bit.